Hey, what's up, heyitsXCrunners? As you can see, I ran at night and I went pretty slow because my knees were hurting. Everything was hurting, and the reason I went at night was because I alone went to go washing, and I washed all the clothes, all of that. And I washed that clothes, and then after that, got personal problems here, so that took a lot of my time. Ended up not going with my friends later on because I had to still run, and now I just got home, so just a bad day for me. That's why I didn't really record much. But yeah, today was just a 45-minute workout, a slow one, because yesterday I went kind of fast and today was hurting too. So it was a 45-minute workout with stretching, and I'm gonna ice. You guys, I don't know if you guys should. If you guys need it, you guys don't. Either way, you guys should ice a little bit at least. And yeah, that's it for today. Alright, good night, guys.